Hello! I just got another package from Thecubicle. Let's just go ahead and see what's inside. Or, I know what's inside, let's open it anyway. Here we go. I think I need to sharpen my knife a bit. So here, first is the FanXin color brick cube, and this is kind of reminiscent to my Lego cube, which I made. Of course, it's been done lots of times before. I decided to use my old original Rubik's 3x3, which I've overlubed with Vaseline or petroleum jelly to make it go smoother, which killed the plastic. So I won't do this on that one. I'm really excited to do this, so I'm gonna make a different video when I sticker it. I'm gonna bricker it. Put the bricks on. Okay, so let's see. And these I didn't pay for, so I think these are complimentary. Sorry, I just had to. Okay, hang on. 3, 2, 1. Woo! That's quite a banger. Okay, so let's get this. This is the Cube Display Stand by GAN. I just thought that I need to have it. It just looks so fucking cool. And it sticks if you want to. I don't know if I want to stick it or just put it like this. Okay, let's check it out. You put it like this and it spins. I think this is really neat. And if you push this button, it can... Ah, that's cool. Wow. That's actually kind of like a spinner toy as well, a fidget spinner. That's actually quite a lot faster than I anticipated. Maybe I just need to see how well it's... Okay, now that's going to be a game changer. Maybe I'll have to stick it on my wall or somewhere. Really cool, really cool. I really like the design again. Here it says tips. Peel backing off and mount it firmly to any surface. Yeah, but I believe that the problem is as soon as you mounted it, you're done. You can't unmount it, or at least that's going to ruin part of the sticking quality. Okay, so let's just put these out. So this is the FanXin Styracosaurus. Sorry, I don't know this in English. Styracosaurus Dino puzzle. I think these are really cute, and I decided that the Styracosaurus and the Parasaurolophus were my favorites, so I just had to get those two. Sorry for those of you who enjoy the boxes. I don't, so... Wow. This is a really cool shape, and I'm looking forward to to be playing with this, because boy am I going to ruin this little boy. Sorry, oh my poor boy. Look how they massacred my poor boy. Oh no, I don't dare to do it yet. I need to check it out so I don't ruin it. So this is the Parasaurolophus, and I don't think it's my favorite dinosaur, but it's my favorite dinosaur name, because the Parasaurolophus by FanXin, I just think it's a really cool name. And this is really cute. Look at this. Okay, so I'm really looking forward to be messing this up and just like, whoa, that's actually kind of cool. Yeah, so that's that from the Cubicle this time. I'm looking forward to getting some new stuff. I'm thinking about getting the WRM 2021 soon, and the X-Man puzzle. Sorry, I forgot the name. Yeah, I think it's the X-Man. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to make a different video where I bricker it, because I ain't stickers, and I'll see you. Bye.